I'm your Wood-Mizer rep that's going to be showing you these two switches here, the blade engagement switch for the auto clutch and the Debarker off-on switch. As we look at the back side of those, we can see that the Debarker off-on switch is a very simple switch, just two wires, 12 volts coming into it, 12 volts coming out. Testing the Debarker off-on switch, we remove the wire that is our output of the switch. We can see that when we measure from ground, we have 12 volts on the wire coming in, and the switch being off and turned on, we can see that power comes out the other terminal. If this doesn't happen for you, you know you need to replace the switch. The next thing we're going to check is the auto clutch switch. This is your auto clutch switch here. It is not an off-on switch. It is a switch that directs the power that comes into the middle of it here, directs it either out of the bottom wire or the top wire. One wire is for engage and one's for disengage. As we disconnect these, we'll make sure that the switch can make the connection for us internally for both engage and disengage. So we check to see if we have power. Yep. And power will be always showing up on one end. And as we toggle the switch the other direction, you see that power goes out and it comes out of this side. So input voltage, output one end or the other, depending on the direction of the switch.